Hello. Today we're going to show you how to assemble a frame that goes in a super, which is where the bees store their honey. We know it from our kits as an SN1 frame. It will come with a top bar, 2 side bars, 2 bottom bars, and an SN1 Premier wax which slots into the frame. What you first do is you take your top bar, and there's a little bit of rocking, so you break that off, just place it to one side out of the way. Just take a knife and just strip that piece of wood out, just clean it out, and you're ready to begin assembling. You take your side bars, you just level them up into the pegs, into the notches that were cut, just give it a little tap, and you do then the same with the other one, very gently tap it down. We tend to keep the nails all on one side of these frames, and we use gimp pins, which are very fine nails, and we get the nail, we just put it on there right in the middle and begin to tap it in, and then we do the same process on the other side. This is the tricky part. You then get your bottom bar, push it into these slots just here. Now these are very thin, and we need to try and prevent them from splitting, and also try and prevent the nails from going through the groove, which is where the wax sits. Just double check that's nice and level, and we do then the same on the other side. Next you do the same with the other bottom bar. This one might need a little bit more persuasion, so I'm just going to tap it in. And then we repeat the process again. That's your basic frame assembled. You then need to take your wax. That side with the metal loops is the bottom. We just check that this wax will actually fit the gap, and it should actually slide very gently, slide it between. Yeah. Now when you get to about there, these metal lugs are going to hit this, so what we do is we bend them at a right angle. All your lugs are bent round, your metal loops, just need to feed it through. Now the next part, you need that bar we removed earlier. This basically goes back where it came from, and like I said, keeping all the nails on one side, so the nails are going to be nailed in here, and as you may be able to see, the wire forms like a series of V shapes through the wax, leading to those metal lugs that we showed. And the basic aim is to get your gimp pin and to nail it through those metal loops. 2 more like that. So that's your SN1 frame completed with wax for your super.